Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from RugGear RG655 to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both devices. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click I accept. Then confirm, continue and finally allow. You need to do the same on this device. And now you want to go with Receive on an Android and Send on this RugGear. Then click on all of these dots and tap Send to send all of your files. But I don't want to do that, so I will just select this one song, click Send and tap on Got It. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, just click on the scanning icon on an Android. Click while using the app, or in some smartphones allow. Then point your camera at the code and wait. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!